Welcome to MB Homes Club. MB Homes Club is a platform designed to make every step of the process, from apartment reservations to final sales, easier, faster, and more efficient for you. Here you can manage everything with just a few clicks. It also allows you to connect with MB Homes instantly so you can get updates, ask questions, and communicate quickly whenever you need. In short, MB Homes Club is your personal assistant throughout the entire sales journey, designed to help you work smarter and close deals faster. To get started, simply visit mbhomes.club and click on Register as an Agent. Then, fill out the registration form with your details and submit it. Once your account is approved by the admin, you'll be ready to explore all the features of the platform. Once you log in, you'll be greeted by your dashboard. At the top of the dashboard, you'll find the latest announcements from MB Homes, along with an overview of our projects and your most recent reservations. At the bottom of the dashboard, you'll have quick access to important project materials like apartment plans and brochures. On the left side menu, you'll see various sections. Under My Projects, you can explore all the projects available. In the My Reservations section, you can track the status of your reservations, whether they are pending, approved, or completed. To reserve an apartment, simply go to My Projects, select a project, and view the details of the available apartments. You can then reserve an apartment for 2 days and share the details with potential clients. This allows you to quickly secure units for your clients while also giving them time to review the apartment details. In the Clients section, you can manage your customer database either by adding clients individually or importing them from an Excel file. You can also choose to display your clients in a card view or a list view depending on your preference. The Smart Filter allows you to search for apartments using natural language or more traditional filters. In the Agreements section, you can review the agreements you have with us, and the Messages section lets you communicate directly with the admin. Finally, the AI assistant is there to help answer any questions you have about the projects or apartments. It's designed to provide instant support, making your work even easier and more efficient. At the top of the menu, you'll see your name displayed, and by clicking on it, you can access your profile to update your information and change your password if needed. We're excited to have you on board and hope you enjoy using the platform. If you ever need assistance or have suggestions, feel free to reach out. Your success is our priority.